Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 video editing tips in Filmora 12. Hopefully it is helpful for beginner. And actually these are the questions on my YouTube channel that I got about a week ago. Okay, so there are 5 things I want to share with you. So these are the answer to some of the questions on my YouTube channel. So first thing, how to scale up multiple video in Filmora 12, and the next thing, how to create gap between videos in Filmora. Okay, and the third one, how to change the basic animation of your split screen, and the fourth, how to copy and paste your text style, and the last one, how to import custom fonts in Filmora 12. Alright, so hopefully this video is helpful for you. To be honest, I was a little bit busy this day because my kids are at home. They have summer holidays, so I have to take care of my kid and my family. And also I have to spend time traveling with them. Okay, by the way, I will try my best to answer all of your questions to have you understand Filmora and also improve your editing skill. Alright, so let's go to my computer screen. Alright, so this is my Filmora 12 example project, and for your information, if you want to download or purchase a license of Filmora, go ahead to the link in the description. I have 20% discount coupon code to save your money. Okay, so let's answer the first question, how to scale up multiple video in Filmora 12. So actually, it is very simple. For example, I have 3 videos here on the timeline. Okay, so let's change the preview quality to half, so that I can preview them smoothly. And this is the first video, and this is the second one. Alright, so for example, if I want to scale up multiple video, all I need to do is to scale up the first one, and then I can copy and paste the effect to the next one. To do that, you want to double click here at the first video on the timeline and select video, and then you want to select basic. We have the scale option right here. For example, I want to scale up this video, so all I need to do is to adjust the scale right here. Okay, and then we can click OK. And the next thing, you want to copy the effect from this clip and paste it to the other. Okay, to do that, you want to right click here at the first video clip and then select this option, copy effect. Okay, and then you want to highlight all the other, and then right click and select paste effect. Okay, by doing that, you have scale up multiple video at the same time. So let's preview them. Okay, so that is how to scale up multiple video in Filmora 12. And if you want to adjust the scale of a separate clip, all you need to do is to double click at the video here, the clip that you want to adjust, to find the property. Okay, so here's a transform, and you can see the scale here. You can adjust the scale if you want. Okay, even the position of the clip. Alright, so that is the first question, how to scale up video in Filmora 12. And the next one is how to create gap between video on the timeline. And actually it is also very simple. For example, we have 3 clips here. And now what if I want to create a space right here between 2 clips at this position? Normally I can highlight this clip here on the right, and then I can just move them to the right to create a space here between video clip. By the way, if your timeline is a long project and there's a lot of things on the right, so you shouldn't do that. Okay, and let's Ctrl Z to undo it. So first up, you want to select this video, and the next thing, you want to put the playhead at the end of the clip right here at the position you want to create a space. Okay, so you want to press Shift N on your keyboard to put the playhead at the end of the selected clip. Okay, and the next step, you want to go to stock media, and then you want to go to film stock, you have a solid color here, so you can just add it to this space. For example, I can use this black one, and all you need to do is to click this button to add this to your project. Just click here, and if you want to create more space, you want to click here, click here, click here again. And now you want to insert any video or image or anything at the empty space right here. It is very simple. Just go back to your media, and then you want to find a media, anything. So for example, I can just put this video at this empty space. So this is the first solution. And the other solution is to just delete all the solid color right here. Just press the delete button, so you have empty space between your video. Okay, so that is how to create gaps between video in Filmora 12. And the next question is how to disable the basic animation in your split screen. And actually, it is also very easy. Let's delete everything on the timeline and go to template. I want to use a split screen, so we want to select this split screen, and I'm going to use this one as an example. Just drag and drop it onto a timeline. Okay, and let's click OK. And now you want to add some media, right? And go to media, stock media, and for this one I'm going to put it here at the first one, and this is at the second one. So this is a still image. By the way, this is the animation of the split screen. Okay, and if you want to disable the animation, it is very simple. All you need to do is to double click at the split screen on the timeline. Okay, and now you have the split screen animation right here at the video, basic, and split screen animation. So you have this button. Just disable this button and you don't have the animation anymore. Okay, just click here to disable it, and let's click OK. And now this is a split screen without animation. Nice, right? And being mentioned that you can also change the color of the border here, or disable the border also. If you want, you can just double click at the split screen, and now you want to disable the border, or you can enable the border, and then you can select the color for the border right here. Okay, so the next question is how to copy and paste text style in Filmora 12. For example, I have two text box here on the timeline, and the first one say text style, and the next one say my name, Jacky Nguyen. And now if I want to apply the same text style to all the text box on the timeline, all I need to do is to press and hold the control key on my keyboard, and then I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to double click at the text box here on the timeline. Okay, and also hold the control key and select this one. So if you have multiple text box here, you have to select all of them. Okay, and then we want to select a style. For example, I have a preset here. I can select preset or word art, anything. Okay, and right here I can select this option. Okay, or this option for this one, and I can even increase the size also and change the fonts also right here. So this is the size. I can change it to 44. Okay, and change the fonts, something like this. Okay, and now it will apply to all the text box that I selected on the timeline. And let's click OK. And here is the text here, or text style, and this is my name, Jacky Nguyen. Okay, so that's easy, right? So that is how to copy and paste, or how to create the same text style for all your text box in Filmora 12. Okay, and the last question is how to install custom fonts in Filmora 12. And actually, you have to install the fonts on your computer. If you have any fonts that is available on your computer, Filmora will recognize that. So that is not just something to show you here. By the way, all you need to do is to download the fonts that you have, or download the font from the internet, and then you want to install it on your computer, and then you want to restart Filmora. It will recognize that fonts. Alright, so these are all the video editing tips for today's video. I hope they are helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.